kidding. Right now we're on our way to 7-Eleven, and this is my cousin Chaz. Yeah, she's about to get freaking run over by a car because she was so like close to the damn road. Yeah, this is a white truck. I don't know. This right here is Dave's Ice Cream. They have the best ice cream ever.
Oh my god, it's like so exciting because I'm leaving Hawaii pretty soon. Oh, so exciting! Oh my gosh!
Okay, that is what you call a major rock star loser. Okay, here we are. We're passing the post office. Yes, we're passing the post office. This is the Ark of Safety Church. Yes. Chad, say hi.
Hi, oh my gosh, we're going to 7-Eleven because I want a Slurpee. Oh.
No, it's because she wants to slurp something else, but you know they're not here right now, so that's why we're going to get her a Slurpee. You know what I'm saying? But this is a car. Yes, the bastard. Yes, this is the new restaurant that had opened not too long ago. It's called, what is the name of this? Number One Chinese barbecue. I don't think they're the number one. They're probably like the number 15. Yeah. So, oh, right there. There's the sign. Wait, let me get a close up. Let me get a close up. There is the sign. Number One Chinese and Barbecue Restaurant. They sell snow ice. Okay, now, who in their right mind would call it snow ice? Because it is not snow. It is just shaved ice. Okay? It is shaved ice. That is not it is not snow rice or ice. See, they got me messed up in the damn brain. But yeah, so here we are. This is 7-Eleven. And this is a car just leaving. Hey, how you doing? Yes, the gas down here is very cheap. Yeah. Oh yeah. So this is ATM. They take ATM here. So here we are walking in. Yes. So 50 cents. Oh, wannabe. So here is all the drinks. This will be all the drinks. Yes, this is all the drinks. Where's the big bottle of Pepsi?
On that side.
Oh, here it is. This is what my mom drinks. Yes, this one. This one. You see that? This one. This is what my mom drinks. I don't know why she drank it, but she drank it. Yes, so yeah. This is the ice cream. Yes. These chips are gross. What is your favorite type of chip, Chaz?
I don't have one. Oh, well, I love Sun Chips. I love Sun Chips.
Yeah, she loves Sun Chips because she stole it from me. Yes, that is the reason why she loves Sun Chips. But they don't have Sun Chips. They only have these kind of chips. Don't forget Mama's green tea now. Oh, you have it already. Okay, ice cream, ice cream. Yes. Why do I have to hold it? Okay, come on. We don't have all day. I mean, we do, but Kira, I have to grab me a brisk iced tea. Hold this. Yes, that's her fat bitch right there. That's the fat bitch. Yes, and this is what I drink. Brisk raspberry iced tea. This is the bomb shit. This is the bomb right here, okay? This is the bomb. This drink right here will have you, yes, it will. I know we're walking and they make us do all of this. What the hell? Oh, sorry. Yes, I am. They sell, what is this? Lapchong Romanapua for $1.69. And they also sell Mapo Pork Shumai.
Hi.
79 cents. Hello, what is your name?
OMG, I saw my camera in the end.
No, girl, I'm not.
Wait, I'm sure you
Well, hurry up. Hi, Carrie. Say hi.
Fuck.
Oh, I know this bitch did not go Samoan on me.
Oh, I don't have enough one.
Okay. Hello, you never even make it Slurpee.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Go make it, hurry up.
Put that on the internet.
Okay, go say it one more time, one more time.
Yellow.
Okay, that is not me, I am not Julielo.
I know, I came here from...
Well, go make your Slurpee.
No, I just couldn't stick with that.
Yes. This is all of 7-Eleven's stuff, yeah.
So, but for real, what are you doing?
I'm making my own video.
What?
For YouTube.
She was
Yes,
like videotaping
YouTube.
everything on the road.
Okay.
Like this
YouTube.